Now some people say the case are draw out too long. They must say, oh, them can't hear. Say, Maitland has been found guilty by the jury. And now the headlines read, key witness waivers under cross-examination. Now if you don't care about what the headlines are say, and where the defense attorney say, drop a like on the video, comment in the comment section, comment justice for Donna Lee Donaldson. Now, a neighbor of Constable Noel Maitland has denied fabricating claims that the accused officer wanted access to the security footage because of concerns it might show him smoking and jeopardize a pending promotion, which definitely pointed to guilt on Noel Maitland's part. Because if he wanted to destroy evidence, it wouldn't seem as if he wanted to use the video footage to locate what would have been his then missing girlfriend. But the witness who had previously testified that Maitland called him twice on July 13th asking whether footage was stored, expressing concern that it might capture him walking with a spliff. But under cross-examination by defense attorney Christopher Townsend, the witness expressed uncertainty about whether Maitland had mentioned the spliff himself. Talk the truth, how them a try to say? I want Maitland walk free? Tell me what you think. Is this all being set up so that Maitland can walk free? Or despite anything that the defense say, Maitland is still guilty? Tell me what you think. What do you think the jury think? Now, the witness was quoted as saying, he's not sure if it's he or me who said this. This is what the witness said. So now the witness has said him don't know if him did say that part there or a Maitland did say that part there. Now you are saying it could have been you, Townsend added. Yes. As a generic example, the witness remarked. But while agreeing to both answers could not be true, he said neither was a lie. Because keep in mind, he must say, this is the witness. The witness is saying either Maitland or him could have made that statement about the smoking. But while agreeing that both answers could not be true, because I couldn't, the two of them say it, he said neither was a lie. Me not understand. Tell me if you understand. The witness further disagreed with the suggestion that he was having difficulty remembering because it was never said. The witness replied, I do not agree. The witness said Maitland visited him on July the 14th to review the camera footage, claiming someone had gone missing. He had earlier testified that Maitland had told him a girl at his apartment had disappeared. When asked about the conflicting reasons, concerns over the split versus a missing person, he acknowledged the inconsistencies but said he did not thought about it at the time. Townsend also accused the witness of lying about Maitland asking to erase the footage because this would be the point, or one of the points, because you have forensics, you have a whole heap of other things. But this would be something that pointed to Maitland's guilt. Him asking to erase footage. Remember, this is a man. Yo, we're not talking about this an average individual. Noel Maitland is a former member or still a member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Him know evidence use and all them things they go. Why him would have asked for erase footage unless him guilty? The witness firmly denied this, claiming that he never deleted footage from 3 of his 5 cameras. He maintained that Maitland mentioned the promotion even when it was suggested that the police had no record of one. Because that same promotion thing there, we Maitland that about, of course them look into it. Maitland was up for no promotion. No promotion. Them never got promote him to nothing. As a matter of fact, you see behind the bars in the know, they weren't about to promote Maitland to no higher position within the force. As a matter of fact, it look like Maitland they want to be a producer or do something in music. Him probably does still be an officer because either him contract not up or him does still want to be an officer. I don't know why. The witness admitted he told the Independent Commission of Investigations that Maitland called on July the 13th and that he came after a missed call. But he still insisted that Maitland had called him at least twice that day. Though the witness had previously demonstrated strong recall, he appeared less certain under cross-examination. So they must say, even though while giving a testimony for the prosecutors, it seemed as if he remembered everything like yesterday. They must say during cross-examination, it's almost like he was less certain of what he had said or was saying at the moment. He could not remember specifics, such as the exact footage Maitland requested or whether Maitland asked the camera technician for a specific time frame. He also said he did not recall Maitland telling the technician he wanted to see where they were conducted or placed. The witness admitted he told the Independent Commission of Investigation that Maitland's call on July the 13th came after a missed call, but he still insisted Maitland called at least twice that day. No, he also said he could not recall what was the time period for the footage that they viewed on July the 12th. He also said he did not recall Maitland telling the technician certain things, as stated before. Regarding Maitland's child's mother, the witness denied ever seeing her drive Maitland's car or speaking to her, including in August 2022. During re-examination, the witness revealed he had never checked whether the camera system was recording properly and admitted he did not know how to verify it. The witness under cross-examination had said that he did not check the camera frequently. Of course, the trial is set to continue later on today, or what was said and what was done in the trial will be revealed for you, the viewers, later on today. But tell me what you think thus far. Has the defense attorney turned a star witness not into an unreliable witness, but just not a witness that we thought he was? Because even though this person is testifying via Zoom call and is not on the island, is now overseas, we think said this was, something where they remember vividly. Now it seems as if the witness doesn't necessarily remember it vividly. They remember what one. Now some older people have said the trial take long. A 30 had witness people. And when them say 30 had witnesses, I don't know if all of them are for the prosecutors, or if some are for Maitland and some are for the prosecutors. The thing is, you see, when a witness is called and them present or them talk about what them know, if the prosecutor bring the witness, them are going to talk what them know. But then the defense attorneys are also talk to them. So, a 2 times that person they are going to talk, maybe even more, because you see, as you see. So, that will make the trial drawn out, as what they would say. But it's all for due process and fair process. Because you can't rush the trial. Because keep in mind, what if Maitland say him not get a fair trial, so him have to get a fair trial. So, that's why them cross the T's, dot all the I's, do what them need to do. You know what I mean? To make sure that everything happens the way it's supposed to. But talk to me in the comment section and tell me what you think. Now, of course, until we reason again, live, love, and prosper, and stay tuned.